Hello, friends. It's time for the Halloween edition of 5 Under 5. Links to the hosts and the playlist will be in the description box. Let's start Halloween crafting. I have my wooden sugar skull from Dollar Tree that I'm going to paint white with my apple barrel matte white paint. With my paint all dry, I have some iridescent gems that I want to add around the eyes. I have a couple of larger ones. I'm going to add here on the chin. I have these red gemstone stickers to go around the mouth. And also to embellish the rose on the top of the skull with the gemstone stickers. And then I used a green paint marker to highlight the outside of the leaves on the rose. I didn't have any green gemstone stickers, but I wanted the leaves to pop as well. Small string of the golden pearl wrap to go around the eye socket. Then I added a few more iridescent gems to the hearts at the very top of the skull. Okay, so I decided for this area to add a bow, and this is just ribbon from the Dollar Tree, all fray. It has this beautiful florals and it has some little script on it, and I loved this gorgeous red and black. So I thought that would look really nice with the red rose here and the red around the mouth. I think that completes my sugar skull. I was inspired to make this sugar skull after watching the movie Coco with my son. It gave me a better understanding of what the Day of the Dead is and how people celebrate their loved ones. Please let me know, what do you think of my sugar skull? And here's some examples of some great crafts you'll find on the channels of Missy, this adorable truck, Emily, this beautiful harvest decor. So cute. I really love that platter. And Michelle, our co-host. That's the best Diagon Alley I've ever seen. I'm going for a Mackenzie Childs-esque look for this spider. Her fall catalog has Halloween and harvest items, and there's lots of black and white and gold. So that's what I'm going for with this spider, with a few stripes and gold accents and a few diamonds. All right, and I have this crafter square stencil, same white paint, and this makeup sponge. Try and get a few of these diamonds. Now with some of this folk art pure gold, it's gonna go on either side. After finishing my gold stripes, I added some gold accents to the antenna in the front and a few dots on the legs. This spider already had glitter, but I just wanted it to have a bit more style, and I think that was achieved with adding these kinds of Mackenzie Child-esque accents to it. I sealed the entire spider with gloss Mod Podge once all the paint was dry. If you're enjoying this content, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel and ringing that bell notification so you'll know every time I upload a new video. Alright, I have this DollarTree table runner and these cute felt stickers. I used these on a previous DIY and some Unspooky Kids DIYs, and I think these hats and the little jack-o'-lanterns are really cute, and maybe some of these bats will look really nice on the edge. So that's what we're going to add. And they do have an adhesive back. This is so thin, I don't really want to add any hot glue. So I think I'm just gonna add them just like this. Cat, shoe, black hat. I'm gonna go all the way around like that. This is a fun accent in my dining area. I don't have any black in this area. Everything is pretty much a white or a neutral. So this is a really cute accent. And of course, the 5-year-old loves it. Okay, I want to try to save these belt buckles, or these shoe buckles if I can, to reuse them. But I'm going to have to take off all of this tinsel. This actually looks really cool stripped down like this, and if it didn't have this little hook, that'd be the cutest little like Victorian lady shoe. But this isn't going to be a mean witch shoe. This is gonna be like Glenda the Good Witch, like her sister, her cousin. That's who this shoe is going to belong to. I'm gonna cover it, and that's white chenille. Well, the chenille was soft and it was pretty, but it just didn't work on this shoe form. All of the little nubbies, I would have had to take them all off because they were poking through the chenille. Okay, so I think this cotton nautical rope will work better than the chenille. To start it out, when I added my hot glue, I tried to twist the end of this cotton rope. It tends to want to unravel a lot more than the other nautical rope. So I tried to hold it down into the glue and then start to wrap around the hook of the tip of the shoe, and then I added a bit more hot glue, but I didn't want to add so much hot glue that it looked really like clumpy. So I'm coming to the end of my first piece here, and what I did was just unwind a scrap piece of this rope so that it wouldn't be too thick if I would have left it twisted up. And once I got to the end, I just had to like smooth it down with my fingers and separate the fibers a bit and add some glue, push the fibers down, add a little bit more glue, and push the top layer down. And then as I was going around the heel, I had kind of a hard time trying to tuck it around the heel. I didn't want to use too much glue again, but I got it wound around there nicely. But I think maybe I should have started at the heel, because once I finished, I ended up with like a kind of pattern with the way the rope was wound around, and the back part of it kind of looked like it was almost braided and it was kind of hanging a bit, but I did manage to insert some other pieces and get those glued together once I finished with adding all of my pieces of rope. So I just kept working my way up and around, like swooping the rope up around the front, and then it came down on the back side. And here I'm at the very top, and once I laid my top piece of rope into the hot glue, I just snipped my end piece and pushed it into the inside where the frayed edges wouldn't be seen, and just added a generous amount of hot glue so it would stay tucked inside. And then I wanted to add some embellishment to the back of the shoe, so I thought these pink gemstone stickers would add a really cute shabby chic look to this shoe. And then I reused those paper buckles that came off of the tinsel and just put them back on either side. So this Good Witch shoe just looks really cute. I love this look. Like I said, this is like Glenda the Good Witch, like her sister, like maybe her name is Brittany or whatever, and she's fashionable and she doesn't do like bad spells, and maybe she's a crafter and she has a garden, you know, but she's fashionable and she likes to wear cute white boots. As a finishing touch to the boot, I wanted to use some lace, and I had this bit of scrap lace, so I just hot glued this around the inside edge to give this just a really cute finished look. I'm really loving the way this witch boot turned out. This will look just as cute if this was in twine and had like a faux galvanized buckle. That would also be a nice look. I found this cute galvanized jack-o'-lantern sign at Dollar Tree, and I thought this would be really cute as a standing sign. So I just removed the hanger and added some black apple barrel paint around the edges to really make the galvanized metal pop. And I painted these tumbling tower blocks black as well. I want these to hold the sign up. And if you paint over too much and you're galvanized, it comes off really easy. You can just, you know, rub a bit and it comes right off. So here I'm just hot gluing my tower blocks together so I could set my sign up and apply these double blocks to the back. And I put another one, I had another one painted for the front, but it stood up fine without it. So this is really quick and easy. I love the way it looks with the black outline. And then I just added some lights to it. And this is super cute, easy, simple Halloween decor. And here's a look back at my other 5 under 5 Halloween DIYs. Whether you're into super spooky or super cutesy, you can achieve those Halloween looks with very little money, especially if you love the Dollar Tree. Thanks so much for watching. Please enjoy the playlist and let me know, what did you think of my 5 under 5 Halloween DIYs?